Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the file and choosing where it will live so linking works reliably. Upload a web-friendly JPG or PNG and compress to under 1 MB to ensure fast loading. Use cloud storage with link sharing, an image hosting service, or place it on your own server. Each choice affects privacy and permanence. Once uploaded, find the direct file URL, not a page URL, because you need the raw image address to embed or share successfully. Now generate and verify the link so recipients see the image immediately. Copy the direct URL. It should end in a file extension like JPG or PNG, then paste it into a browser or use an incognito window to confirm public access. If you hit a login screen, change sharing permissions or create a public link. Once the URL loads the image alone, you can shorten it, embed it, or paste it in chat. This ensures predictable behavior across platforms. Finally, choose how to deliver the link and verify display on the target platform. You can paste the raw URL, use Markdown or HTML image tags when embedding, or shorten the link for neatness. Always test the final post or message to confirm inline display. If the image fails to show, make sure permissions allow public access, check CORS or hotlink restrictions, and confirm the URL points directly to the file. If problems persist, re-upload to a different host and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.